told y'all to get these work done is work culture. These contracts are awarded on the condition that you can walk around the clock to get them completed. So, you're aware of this, engineer? So how y'all supervising? Your staff is not even out here. None of the contractors out here. Look at the difference. You're going just now. So the bridge contractors, and you will see the difference. And this is a main highway. Who gave the contractors permission to park these things out here? On the main highway. And all the policemen, come on up, look out here. Look at these projects, they can't just park here. Look at it. No, they can't leave the equipment overnight on the main highway like this.
You may actually remove it.
And what happened with the 24-hour walk in the sector's then? No, that's not what. So where's BK International, all of them? None of them on the site? Well, I'm happy I came this morning. This is the problem with y'all. So this section, the bridge is going to be on both sides.
Yeah, so we welcome to the resources for the phone, so we designed it for put that section on, and then the drain will be on both sides.
That's resolving.
Yeah, but because of the you know, it's here, the excavation is low, so we have to excavate the two without making
This project is not being extended 1 feet beyond the time. Right? And y'all attitude and y'all work ethics is what's going to ensure this project complete on time. Look, I told y'all I will here. The chief engineer Intikhab is not here. I want all the contractors to use people. It's 09
a little bit faster.
to the new highway, right? What's the length, total length?
It's a 300 meter section, which will take us about 1 km approximately.
And the phase 2 is when we're going to put in the overpass. But did you guys on the Heroes Highway look at the slip lanes?
Yes, it's your conference on that's part of the contract.
Don't get softer.
And that's the stockpile also that is required out there.
Because mostly because the site the stockpile usually comes in and the dump, so there's no kind of dumping that's required.
You also have to, now that you change the design over there, did you talk to NDIA to ensure that there is enough snow there? Yes. And is it the same volume that was there before?
Correct. Correct.
What's that your excavation?
It's approximately the water is about 12 feet high, so the excavation is within the vicinity of 9 to 10 feet.
You see the allegation of the So which is the most advanced lab at the moment?
So, not 1, 2, 3, which is detail, item, and total. There detail is approximately 50%. This lot age is a total, which is the engine. It's approximately 40%.
And the other two is there.
There's item is the lot 2, which is approximately 30%. And we have the
Now that you have the weather, you're supposed to be doing all the sand filling, you know this. If it gets caught in the you know they're going to do the sand filling. All the drain work, the excavation work, and sand filling should be completed. So that even if the weather comes in, it will not affect the development. There's no people note of this. Because when these contracts were awarded, you guys told them, they noticed like green. You can go to the other rock from here?
yeah. But the detail we have to but you can see
You designed the roundabout to there too, right?
yes.
And just like green, we're going to put a fire in.
Yeah, but you already tried those files there. Or what else is happening? Yeah, they will not see the access road for these residents. But when it's going to work, it's only just for the installation. So I need to stop by the line here.
These contractors. That's it. That's it. Start to this one. And I want to see the principles. When this water comes down here,
You still have the channel, but they won't get through.
No, you're not making no sense. When the water comes through this drain, is there going to be a drain or a big water? So there's going to be a drain or a big water.
Correct.
So why are you saying it's draining water?
Because this is a
and if it's planning design, are you going to the conservation of the bridge? They won't cause any erosion. Where were you in the car? I told you we have to be out here at 5 this morning. I called you 4:15 this morning to make sure. That is the indiscipline
that allows contractors to get away with nonsense. You told these contractors they have to be out here this morning. Yes, you can't be done.
So what is happening? Where is your fault for that?
You worked late last night.
So you have a justification for them not being open? I want to see all of them, the contractors, because they're behind schedule. All of them. So the drain goes on both sides of the road, equally on the side of the road. So what base you would cast to the bottom of it? If you're changing the retaining wall on that side, the sheet pile, what base you cast at the bottom of it? Yeah, but how connects to the retaining wall?
The retaining wall will be independent on both sides. It will be two independent.
Yeah, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, it won't be connected, but it will be a...
Yeah, but how it's connected? Like this here. You see there's a base and the steam comes up with the boat retaining wall. So when the water passes through there, how is it? How is the two wings, the two walls stabilizing?
One is driven in place as a precast sheet pile, which is 40 feet long, driven down, like what we did about
I understand that concept. What I'm trying to understand is how the base is connected. Is there steel
on the retaining wall side that is being casted? There will be the wall, and the toe of the retaining wall will be casted.
and how does it go on to the other side?
No, it's too independent from it. It wouldn't be attached.
But remember, water will be flowing through the drain in volume. So what happens with that connection there?
So at some section it will be like say between maybe a few, if not connecting, it will be a few feet, would be remains parting within the two walls.
Show me the design for the drain over there. Because you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand, Chief. What happens is the two structures are designed to function independently. So what's going to happen is the gap between is basically an ortho drain. But what we can do, we can seal the bottom with geotextile and block casting. If you're afraid that there is going to be erosion and
I'm afraid of erosion.
no, but that was the
That's the
intention.
engineering solution.
No,
Yeah.
Chief, as I'm saying, when the retaining wall is casted, this two independent structures, the base, the two of the retaining wall will extend to the sheet pile. So you have the effect of a concrete base, except that it will be independent of the sheet pile that is driven.
I understand that, but this is a sheet pile here that you're putting on that side.
Right.
Okay? You're casting the base with the retaining wall.
Correct.
When the base and retaining wall cast, here is a seam.
Right.
So how is this connected to this base? That's all I'm asking.
Right. It wouldn't be
The base is like this here.
correct. So it will be just that. It will be the base for the retaining wall will be casted and touch here as an independent structure.
Yeah, but is that engineering, from an engineering perspective, sound?
Right, because as we're saying, the retaining wall that is precast and driven is an independent structure from the one that is casted. They're designed differently.
So this won't have any movement, that's what I'm saying.
Correct.
Because water is going to flow through here.
Chief, the retaining wall that we casted will have piles underneath, similar to the design that we instituted.
So you're confident with this design?
Correct.
And Intercap, this is the design that everybody agreed on.
Yeah, for this section, Chief, because of the acceptance
this
fence
section
and the
only.
things. We couldn't do excavation because it was causing massive undermining. The existing
I just want to know that the engineering design is sound.
So this is the section that Ashoka is doing. I want to let it to be written down. Before 6:30. And I want them to come to meet and state house at 6:30. And also your team.
No, the modification has to be done to the oversight with the case contract, which has been done.
That's included on the boat?
Yeah.
Okay. How many connections you have to this two main road here? From the new bridge to the Hill Highway?
And the exit on the other side. Matter of fact, let's check it. Let's go 4 lane to hotel. Then we'll have the one at Liverpool. Right? That's 2. And we have one somewhere here. Right here. So that road is upgraded already, right?
No, Chief, because they're using it as a construction here. At this point in time, that will be subject to now.
So that will be upgraded.
So, in the very near future.
So to what?
We're trying to get maybe 3 lanes because it'll resolve it.
So you have 3 lanes here. So it's 3 and 4 is 7. And the other one is 4, right? Or 3.
You'll have wins, so that's 4. You'll have this is 3, 7. And before that, you have.
We don't have any more.
Yeah, we have the one that we said we'll put in. At, as soon as you come off the bridge. Connecting back to the North Bus Road. We're just beyond continental area there. I'll show you. One of the roads we said will expand and put in the heavy duty bridge. With the DR6 I'm getting electric to it. The results we will get would be the result of the effort that we put in. You can't have weather opportunity now and not utilizing it. Residents are already inconvenienced. You have to talk to them so that the time frame is not extended. The time frame of inconvenience is not extended. Project management is managing the entire process. From project conceptualization to delivery. And these are some of the ones we have to identify so that you have many arteries linking back to this place. So you reduce congestion. Everybody living on the East Bank can go that way. And wherever we have, that is why we left the reserves on these roads to make them important connectors. And the contractors can have the equipment like this, you know. They could have, that's a main highway we just put in place. In all of these contracts, there is a component for safety, you know. Traffic management and safety. That definitely does not comply with the traffic management and safety mechanism, and that's a function of supervision. Let me see it up. The contractor, even the contractor, they'll have to answer. They're supposed to be out here. How y'all doing?
Good morning, good morning.
Walking on this
Yes,
side.
we're working on this.
I thought I was supposed to come out early today.
We come out already.
You come out early? So, how full time now work last time?
We work up to 7 o'clock.
Oh, this is how the engineer told me I work extended shift last night. 7 o'clock to finish.
This is the various log economic activities.
You see what I'm telling you?
Sir,
Yeah, I know why it's not financial resources.
sir.
I got different 5 o'clock.
Pardon?
Yeah, you supervising this side?
Yes.
Tell me what's going on.
Alright, so in this section, we have the contractor is working. He's currently focused on the northern drain. So he's doing road works and drainage works at the same time. We would have had some challenges in terms of spatial constraints. So we had to do some adjustments. We're in the process of finalizing that for him to work on the southern side.
So the drain going on this side too?
Both sides, yes.
But when they can start the drain on this side? On the construction?
As you said, there are other changes, right? Remember, it's a different drain size.
So what's the change of design here?
So basically, due to the spatial constraint, so this is the narrowest part.
What is the change of design?
Okay, a smaller.
But is it a smaller drain with the same design? Or you're putting the sheet piling and then connecting it independently?
No sheet piling. A smaller drain, and we would
So how that affect the drainage capacity of the canal? Does it change it, or will it still be adequate?
it would be a bit of reduction, but
The question is not if it's really we discussed this with the drainage irrigation.
yeah, we spoke to them area.
And they have approved the new design.
We shared the design with them. We haven't gotten nothing done. Did we, Marvin?
So that means you're not in a process of a position to start this section as yet. So you're managing a project, you come out this morning to ask him if you have that over.
But I didn't see it. I don't know if
Yeah, but if you're managing a project, you have to be managing the project every day. Simple things I'm asking out here. Very, very simple thing. All these answers y'all get me by 6:30. Invite NDIA to the meeting at 6:30. Let's go to the big section. All of these things are to work and finish together with the bridge. What happened with the interagency coordinating unit? All these major infrastructure, I told you how to have that steering committee with the interagency coordinating unit. Can't operate in silos. If you operate in silos, you don't have the type of impact.
No, keep going. Shit.
Yeah. The road.
This is our winter report.
One plastic set.
This is the design.
Yeah. So when you come off the west bank, this is all I wanted to come out of. Right. So this is the road coming off the bridge here on the west bank, right? Where is it wide? Going back to
This is the bridge and this is the one.
right. So where is it wide? Oh, where is
This is the bridge.
right?
So we will
So
land here.
I told Patrick, when you come on this side, going back to the grounds, where that park is now, right? That we can make a wide to the front here. So the traffic going to West Bank, coming off the bridge, don't have to go to the roundabout.
The continuous left lane.
Continuous left lane and make it a one-way. So that will reduce. You understand what I'm saying? That's not in the
No,
design.
but it allows, if you're coming off the bridge and you want to go to West Bank, you have a continuous flow. You don't need to go into the roundabout.
Exactly. So that is already in the design. Patrick said it is there.
Yes.
It's there, right? Conform with you that it's there. You understand what I'm saying?
So it's not to stop.
No. So once you come off the bridge,
Yeah.
once you come off the bridge, you don't have to stop or go to you continue on. That is there?
That's the one you have to create a
Right. So it's not there now. Right. Oh Lord, man. You're the chief engineer and you don't even know that it's not
It's
there.
not even there.
You and Patrick tell me it's there.
No, it's not there.
So we have to put that in. Because that is going to take away all the traffic.
That's correct.
I'm not the engineer, you know. Last night, whole night, I draw on a paper and simple.
It will allow for a
You agree with me?
continuous left discharge.
This will continuous left discharge.
That's correct.
So they don't have to go back to the roundabout. And it's a one way. And that will ease a lot of traffic volume. Am I not right? Right? So now we have to do that. You don't make it long. More to the front.
Yeah.
Just make the slip lane.
The trench we have to collect it.
You don't have to put it, you put it in the big drain. So we have to start working on that now. Because that got to come in the same time with the bridge.
Okay.
Right? So finish that design, let's work on that design. And get wide enough, but it has to be a one way. Because it's all left traffic. Right? So you start the work on this side of the right? So by tonight I want you guys to work on that.
Okay, discharge, sure.
Right? So you're going to finish your section of the road in time for August month and 2.
Yes.
Right? And you have now readjusted. I spoke to the chairman of the company. And they said they have readjusted now and bringing in more engineers to ensure that we keep on that line. That is what you said, right?
Yeah.
On this road run, remember when we first walked this line, before we started the bridge, we identify all those auxiliary roads that we said will upgrade to take off traffic. So while you're coming off the main road, continuously you're taking off traffic. That was the beauty with this design. So those auxiliary roads from here, going all the way, you have to identify where. I think Windsor, that's 4 lane, that's 4. Heroes 4, that's 8. Then there's one between Windsor and Heroes that they said we can upgrade to 3 lanes. That is 11. And right off here we can identify 2 lanes. Right? Just as you come off here. I think it's between Continental Park and we have to put in 2 bridges. Just look at it. Right? You see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Remember we have a resort here? When I was Minister of Housing, we left it. Next to where Amazonia Mall is, there's a huge resort here. That resort run all the way. We're looking at so that we get also food there. Right? And that goes on both sides. Oh, no, we gotta walk all of this to the hill. Oh, yeah, right. Go on, let's play. You have to make it coordinating with home affairs, public works, police, everybody got to work, and y'all got to be enforcement. Because the project is going into that stage, then everything has to be integrated, including DNR. I just spoke them out. Right?
So, around the 100.
How many workers will have at each shift?
Each shift is creating, we have like around 700. The night we have around 350.
From an engineering perspective, where the high span, how you will have to organize. Yeah. And the key to sorting is to have more technical skills.
Yeah, the one
All people. The method. Yeah, methodology. And engineering some methodology.
Minimize. And before we counting by days, now we are counting by hours.
Yeah, so that's how project management is. And that's how we should do it anyway. That's how we do it.
So, even in map out in engineer technical staff is
24 hours by 7 days working.
so we have like
If you guys didn't take the 1 month off for Chinese New Year, you'd have been ahead. You didn't take it? Okay.
So now we go on under a lot of pressure. No sleep.
When you join me, it's no sleep. You're too drunk. You're too like a traffic. You have to. Your company yes. Huh? So it's completed.
时间你有机会可以去看看那个，这个有机会可以去看看这个，这样很漂亮。
Last night we just completed the last old model in Southern.
Would that have any effect on the traffic?
No further.
What do you say, Jake?
So how long do you have to go about that? 2 years? Where is it? Commander? Are you aware that they have to close off the traffic for 2 days? When? You got to be proactive. You know the bridge is being done. I'm asking these questions. I'm not asking these questions. So Ron, the public advisory got to go.
Yes, sir.
So how long is it take to cross the road? 2 days. She's seeing the George son from here. That's whose son? Be careful there, boy.
Yes,
Got
I see it. I see it.
So how much of the borders are completely plastic now?
On this side, it's
I saw 69%.
The
Where is
total,
it? That's
total
total.
program, total is about 78.
78% of the borders.
Yeah.
And on the other side?
那算是更多吧。
So when all the borders will become, the casting will be completed?
By the 8th of the May, all of the building will be finished.
In place?
In place, that's after 2 weeks. That's the
the precast is 2 weeks.
end of the May. That will go into.
So after the borders, it will be basically the main span that you're concentrating on.
Yeah.
But you can do the paving.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Yeah. Now we already started to work on this accelerated work.
How's the high the side walls coming up? The walls of the bridge. That would be what height?
That's the height is 1.4.
有混凝土结构的。
The supervision company should know this too. Yeah, 1.4 meters. 1.4 meters.
它下边是50公分的。
Concrete base, that's
So maybe Ron, explain the bridge now that we are here so people can have an understanding. So the outer, starting from the two outer walls.
Yes.
so what you have here So what we have here is a
No, please, y'all don't go to the end. Please. Yeah.
Yes, so what we have here is a 4-lane bridge that would have been set before. It's a 4-lane bridge having sidewalks.
4 wide lanes.
4 wide lanes. It's separated with a concrete median in the middle. It will have protection walls on the extreme end, 1.4 meters high, along with curbs to separate pedestrians from the travel lane. What is happening here right now is that the girders are being put in place. On top of this, they have to cast the slab, which they're currently working on. And then on top of that, it's going to be a finished asphalt concrete surface.
You can see all the development there on the East Bank. You see the scale of the development is massive. In 4 years,
has changed a lot since we came here in January.
great speed, right?
Yeah, very, very great speed.
And as an independent outsider,
Yes,
you're impressed.
I'm really impressed. And most of the time I'm saying this is ambitious, but you're achieving it. I'm very,
Very
impressed.
ambitious. What we have set ourselves on is very ambitious, but together we have to achieve it, right?
It has changed a lot.
Nothing beat partnership and hard work. I get my engineers from housing to understand it. Yeah. You know, on the other side, I was expecting the contractors out there working. So tell me the plan now. Tell me the plan. How many more staff engineers you're putting in?
More than 100.
200 skilled workers and also
And those are highly technical workers.
they will be concentrated on the main stuff.
That's the big work now, the main span, right? Getting that main span completed. But you have all the steel ropes in and everything.
Not yet.
The cable.
Not all of them are planned yet.
It's a lot of rich to the country here, but a lot of
But
they
it's sailing?
It's sailing, yes. It's sailing.
Because I don't want shipping delays.
Yeah, it's sailing.
Where is the 50%? Left side already?
It's already on site.
No, 50 is on
Yeah.
site, but the other 50.
On the ship.
left.
Sailing left already.
Sailing now.
So when is the arrival date for that?
It's the last batch will be for June.
Okay.
Then you must explain that all the effort that achieve the 31st August, our commitment is there, and put our more than 100% effort to make it happen.
And the supervisor, you guys have to put the
We are
additional
cooperating.
efforts
We're really cooperating with them to achieve this. Yes.
because this has to be a seamless partnership
Exactly.
to get it done.
How they see
And the roads too, you can't let up on the road today. Ron, let's work out and finalize the design of the slip lane. Because that is going to help tremendously, right? Yeah. That would help, right?
Yeah.
Because all the traffic coming off on the left lane now, and it has to be a one. What we can do, it might be difficult because I was looking to see if we can do it on the other side too. But that's might be difficult. Unless, I don't know the width of that rail. Unless we build it like that.
We have 3 lanes, so this part one is
Because what we can do is put some piles there and build it as a bridge. And make a one-way. Maybe for traffic coming on. See how many, can we get 2 lanes there? So you can get that? To bypass it on the road? Okay, good. So let's finalize the design. Right? You see, those are the kind of roads I'm telling you about now. You see? Auxiliary roads off of the bridge. You see how all of that done? You see? They're going to connect to the main roads. That is why we build that highway, the Hawksbush Highway that's going all the way to Ogle. So you have 4 ways in which you can connect all the way to Ogle, and the same thing to go to Boston Dam. So it has to be a seamless integration. You see what I'm showing you? So that is what you guys have to go and pick up. When we walk the, you guys are part of the team or when we walk the alignment for the bridge the first time. Ron, you remember? So you see the development on both sides. The connection.
Yes, that is it. And also we created
are working on the reinforcement. Under the bridge, we have said that we will have cross this one. No, not on the. We have said that we were going to put cross this road. That's the one side. This side of the road. Right, so that is part of the project, right?
That would be on the housing project. We'll be working on
So when this side of the road is going to start?
that would be included a lot.
That's okay, so we'll go right?
Continuous 18 months, we finally completed all the piles of the project.
All the piles.
All the piles with the total length amount to 40.
That includes the section of engineering.
Everything.
Underwater. The time zero with the Demerara River alone is 44 kilometers. That's more than the distance from the pedestal to the airport. That's huge. Yeah, but that is what is below sea, right?
One of the pilots
Scale.
One of the pilots 402 feet, and the width of it is 70 feet.
That's astonishing.
Lift and step. Yeah.
Lucky. 150 grams.
Kyle Kino, George.
Tower, right?
Yeah. This is at 90.
Yes.
It is now 94. No, 94. 94.
94.
Yeah, 94.
My last report was 92.
Yeah. 94. The other one.
So the project over you.
We have to
Oh. Both sides are same. On the other side, the west side. This one on the water. You're Guyanese though?
Yes.
And you're working with a contractor?
Yeah.
You're earning a lot. Very much. Tell me more.
Oh.
The crane and the workers and all the.
You have two crane up here.
Yes.
How you got the crane up here?
We lifted with the crane, the other crane.
Let's put up the one.
Go up.
So
right now we are trying a rebar for the second segment for the side.
This is the cable stay, right?
Yeah.
We are doing the fill back.
Trying rebar.
Yeah.
So these are each of the sections that you have to cast now, right?
Yeah.
And this is all solid cast now.
Go up to the tower.
So tell me something. When you get to the center of the channel,
Sorry.
when you get to the center of the channel, would it affect the traffic, the marine traffic?
It will be lot. We just need to alert the vessel about the construction activities and just be careful of the construction. Like you want
How the trestle will get there? The trestle will have to move to the center of the channel?
No, the trees will be long. It will be.
It's a cantilever.
Oh,
It's a cantilever.
Cantilever.
Cantilever. No effect to the traffic.
Yeah, that's why you have the. That's why you're putting in the cable
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yeah.
This is
What is the stress load on each of these cables? What's it designed for?
Stress load.
How much tons?
Oh,
Last one is more than 800 tons.
800 tons.
Yeah, the
Each
last
one.
one.
Yeah.
The last one.
the longest one.
Different. From the first one, that's about 340 tons.
So the last
For
cable,
the first cable, and for the last cable, that's more than 800 tons.
the single cable,
Yes.
Single cable,
800 tons.
So to manage the elevation of the construction, we have to adjust the cable every time when we put the concrete and install the rebar and the formwork. It's a whole process.
From you guys, international experience.
Yes.
How many idea of it?
it could be 5 years. Yes.
Yeah, 3 years. 2 years.
2 years and 3 years.
I told Patrick finish on time, you guys get them bonus there, or public works. Yeah.
Oh,
No.
给我也发点嘛，你说给我们也发点。
And the contractor will.
We have bonus. Do we have bonus, President?
No, the local guys, I'm very happy with their Patrick and his team, Ron, with their aptitude for the work.
Yes.
Before we already cast our second segment, so now we just need to wait and do post-tensioning so that we can continue moving the form traveler to the next successive segment.
So each one is each one of those holes here is for one of the cables. So that's precast. So that's each cable.
Yes.
Which one about 8 meters?
How many cables?
17, 17 pairs.
Yeah. 17 by 4.
On each side. Each side.
17.
Yeah.
17 by 4.
By
4.
What's the total length of cable? All of the installed.
总长
We didn't.
So I think it was some
可以最后
magical number.
Yeah, but the longest one, that one alone, one is the cable alone is 15 tons for each of the cable tons. Yeah, that's the weight.
The weight itself.
No, 15. Like 1.5.
For each one of the cables.
Yeah, each one. Yeah.
And the longest one load factor is 800 tons.
800.
800.
And they're doing rebar on both sides.
Yes.
And it's here.
Yes. Must. The balance you know and
No, but they're working on. Let's see the west side.
Yeah.
So the total length is almost 10 kilometers. Total.
And you're all the time on a laser beam to ensure that the alignment.
Yes, the alignment. Survey check it. Every stage must be checked. Before and after moving, before and after this step must be checked.
They 飞过去了是吧？
And the cable, the cable are adjusted for the stress level.
能飞过去吗？
It's on the west side, west of that.
Yeah. This is more yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
So it's waiting for queue.
So you wait 8 days.
No,
4
days.
days. 4 days.
这个现在你给他能不能飞到塔尖上给他看一下？ 塔尖上再上上，哎，这是塔顶，看能照得上，也别碰着那个顶。
That's the core.
Yes.
这个再有一节就完成了。
Yeah. So the 6 we're crossing the road. So
Fifth and the sixth.
So we can.
make sure we have all that by the outdoors, right? All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Housing engineers.
Sorry.
Let me roll so we can come out of the pipe and pick up the